Welcome to Intaver Institute's video. Today we're going to be looking at RiskyProject 6.1, our new update. We're going to focus on the new schedule risk analysis optimization that we've put in place, as well as the speed improvements that we've done with the Monte Carlo simulations. At this point, it also recognize that we've added a few other features, including cost type resources, as well as a new default setting for risk correlations, which helps you set up how risk will be correlated by default when you're doing your risk assignments. Okay, first thing off, we're going to take a look at the new add-in features that we have in Microsoft Project. So we're looking at the RiskyProject 6 add-in. The main changes that we've made to it are on the field mappings. And if we look at the bottom here, we can see how we can exclude certain data from the analysis, and allows us to speed it up. So we can exclude costs, resources, custom fields, deadlines, and notes, especially resources, which create a multitude of calendars, can really bog down your simulations if you're running a very big schedule and running several thousand simulations. Now, for this quick simulation in the add-in, just to get a feel, we've just got 100 activities, and we are going to run 5,000 simulations on this. Just click the calculate, and that runs in about 5 seconds, so it's extremely fast, but really that's not a realistic scenario of what you'll do, because on that small of a schedule. So what we'll do is we'll open up a larger schedule, and this one has 1,000 activities. We go down, we do get this odd message about the durations. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it down to, or take it across to RiskyProject. So one of the optimizations we've made is we've increased the ability of it to export the data to RiskyProject, and we can do that just by clicking on one of these views. Now I'm just going to click it right now, and it should almost be instantaneous into. Now I just had to pause the recording there just so I could resize the application, because it likes to pop up into a full screen. But what used to take perhaps 2 to 3 minutes on a schedule that size occurs almost instantaneously now, and that's with the new file format that we're using. And we can see all the data's come across, and we're just going to go to the project options, calculations, and we're going to run 2,000 simulations on 1,000 activities. And see how quickly this takes. That's 10 seconds. And so that was 2,000 simulations on 1,000, and that took approximately about 16 seconds to run. So we've really improved the capability of the software to run the simulations on these large projects. So the ability now to run on a 10,000 activity schedule and run a couple thousand simulations on it now is only going to take you, under 10 minutes or so, rather than it used to take upwards of an hour to do those types of analysis. So we'll click OK. Yeah, and so that's it for the version 6.1 Again, this release has really been focused on increasing our performance on running the simulations on very large projects. The simulation engine's been increased. We've increased the ability to use multiple processors, and we've increased our performance on being able to export data into the RiskyProject standalone or the RiskyProject calculation engine. Thank you very much, and hope that you are able to see some of our upcoming videos.